Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss the effects of land pollution. Last day I told that the definition and the causes of land pollution. Soil pollution is another form of land pollution where the upper layer of the soil is damaged. This caused by the overuse of chemical fertilizer, soil erosion caused by running water and other pest control measures. This leads to loss of fertile land for agriculture, forest cover, fodder patches or grazing etc. Second one is change in climate pattern. The effects of land pollution are very hazardous and can lead to the loss of ecosystem when land is polluted. It directly or indirectly affects the climate pattern. Third one is environmental impact. When deforestation is committed, the tree cover is compromised. This leads to a steep imbalance in the rain cycle. A distributed rain cycle affects a lot of factors. To begin with, the green cover is reduced. Trees and plants help balance the atmosphere. Without them, we are subjected to various concerns like global warming, the greenhouse effect, irregular rainfall, and flash floods, among other imbalances. Fourth one is effect on human health. The land, when contaminated with toxic chemicals and pesticides, leads to the problem of skin cancer and the human respiratory system. The toxic chemical can reach our body through foods and vegetables that we eat as they are grown in polluted soil. Number 5, causes of air pollution. Landfills across the city keep on growing due to the increase in waste and are later burned, which leads to air pollution. They become home for rodents, mice, etc., which in turn transmit diseases. Number 6, destruction for tourists. The city loses its attraction as a tourist destination as landfills do not look good when you move around the city. It leads to a loss of revenue for the state government and effect of wildlife. The animal kingdom has suffered most in the past decades. They face a serious threat with regards to the loss of habitat and natural environment. The constant human activity of land is leaving it polluted, forcing these species to move further away and adapt to new regions or die trying to adjust. Several species are pushed to the verge of extinction due to no homeland. Solution for land pollution. Make people aware of the concept of reduce, recycle and reduce and reuse. Reduce the use pesticides and fertilizer in agricultural activities. Avoid buying packages items as they will lead to garbage and end of the landfill site. Number 4, ensure that you do not litter on the ground and do proper disposal of garbage. Number 5 is buy biodegradable products. Number 6 is do organic gardening and eat organic food that will be grown without the use of pesticides. Number 7, create a dumping ground away from the residential areas. Several creatures survive under the land too. Disrupting the harmony of the land is disrupting their habitat. This led to several creatures reaching the endangered status like Gilbert's the prevention. This was the solution, and you just the prevention of pollution, land pollution. You too can minimize land pollution by engaging in more environmentally friendly practices. I earlier told that recycle, reuse to stop pollution, recycling and reusing resources whenever possible reduces wasted cuts land pollution and saves you money. Avoid use of chemical in farming, reduce waste, and as much as possible buy organic product. These are the way you can save the land pollution, rather to say the prevention of land pollution. Thank you.